Hello everyone. In the afternoon, I will show you the running effect of our 24-volt 300-watt solar deep well pump. Before sinking, let's wire up the pump first. Next, the water pump installs the water pipe. Raw tape can be wrapped a little more. Never mind. Screw our adapter onto our water outlet. The hose is fitted with a throat band. And then tighten it. Next, get our rings out of our accessory bag. Install the water pump ring. Tie a string to the ring. Our pump will be ready to run. Okay, everything is ready. Now we're going down the well. This pump is very light and light. I can easily get down the well by myself. He'll show you how it comes out in a second. The pump has gone down just now. Now, let's hook up the controller. This one is our 24-volt 300-watt water pump. So all we need is one solar panel. So here we have a picture of the positive and negative poles of the solar panel. Connect it to our controller. After the connection, get our water pump wired up. As you can see, there's a W label on the circuit board. So when you wire it up, and connect each phase to the corresponding position. So we've got our wires hooked up. We turn on the pump. Look at how well it comes out of the water. This is the effect of our 3-inch 24-volt pump. Fill the ditch completely with water. Water our fields. It has anti-rain lately. The ground is a bit dry.